Welcome back to Feshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about Japandi outdoor kitchen ideas and inspiration. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. The fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality, known as Japandi, has been making waves in the world of interior design. This trend is not just limited to indoor spaces. It has found its way into outdoor kitchens as well. Here are some ideas and inspirations for a Japandi outdoor kitchen. A Japandi outdoor kitchen should be a reflection of the Japanese Zen philosophy, which emphasizes simplicity and tranquility. This can be achieved by opting for clean lines and a neutral color palette. Avoid clutter and unnecessary decorations. Instead, focus on the essentials. However, a minimalist design doesn't mean it has to be boring. You can play with textures and materials to add depth and interest. For example, a smooth concrete countertop paired with a textured wooden cabinet can create a visually appealing contrast. The Scandinavian design principle prioritizes functionality and practicality. Your outdoor kitchen should be designed with efficiency in mind. Consider the workflow. The placement of the grill, sink, and prep area should make cooking and cleaning as seamless as possible. For instance, the grill and prep area should be close to each other for easy access, while the sink should be conveniently located for quick cleanup. Both Japanese and Scandinavian designs have a deep appreciation for natural materials. Incorporate elements such as wood, stone, and plants into your outdoor kitchen. These elements will not only bring warmth and texture to the space but also help it blend seamlessly with the surrounding nature. For example, a wooden pergola can provide shade and add a rustic charm, while a stone backsplash can add a touch of rugged elegance. Good lighting is essential in any kitchen, and your outdoor kitchen is no exception. Consider a mix of task lighting for cooking and ambient lighting for a cozy atmosphere. For task lighting, you can install under cabinet lights or pendant lights over the prep area. For ambient lighting, consider installing dimmable LED lights around the seating area. Additionally, lanterns and candles can add a touch of Japanese aesthetics and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating greenery is a key aspect of Japandi design, reflecting the Japanese love for nature and the Scandinavian emphasis on eco-friendliness. Consider adding potted plants or a vertical garden to your outdoor kitchen. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to a healthier and more relaxing environment. Choose plants that are easy to maintain and suitable for your climate. Herbs like rosemary and basil can be a great addition as they are not only beautiful but also useful for cooking. The furniture in your Japandi outdoor kitchen should be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Opt for furniture pieces that are simple yet comfortable. Natural materials like wood and rattan are preferred. Remember, the key is to create a space that encourages relaxation and enjoyment. A wooden dining table paired with comfortable chairs can provide a perfect spot for family meals. Add some outdoor cushions and neutral tones for extra comfort and a touch of coziness. A Japandi outdoor kitchen is a perfect blend of functionality, simplicity, and connection with nature. By incorporating these elements, minimalist design, functional layout, natural materials, good lighting, greenery, and comfortable furniture, you can create an outdoor kitchen that is not only beautiful but also a joy to use. Remember, the goal is to create a space that brings peace and happiness to your everyday life. Happy designing! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a Japandi outdoor kitchen ideas and inspiration. Thank you.